My name is Mr. Flaughenperry, and we are on the hunt for elusive Pooberry. This is my associate. Turn the camera around. Him.
Oh, not her. Me.
Say your name.
I am. You think I'm an idiot?
Pooberry.
You think I'm an idiot? I know my name is Mr. Pooberry. Okay.
So let's go on the hunt for the elusive Pooberry. Come with me. I bring me luck in basketball.
He is an idiotic scientist.
This guy holding the camera is an expert on Pooberrys. He knows if they're poisonous or not.
They are not poisonous.
If I die, he'll revive me with a pine cone. Oh,
well, there are no
Pooberry.
There are no wild bears, so I don't need to revive you.
A Pooberry.
Wait, I just realized they're poisonous!
Oh, no.
Pine cone. There's a pine cone. There's a little pine cone. It must grow. Ow! Sharp and pointy. I'm not very sure how to revive him with it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He revived.
What's happening?
What's up?
Oh, these things.
You were about to eat a Pooberry when you fainted from eating a Pooberry.
I thought I ate a Pooberry and it was poisonous.
You did.